All right, I got a big surprise. I gotta get to ride the freight elevator today. All right, which one are you going?
Two.
Okay, I'm going down to this one.
Y'all is done. There you go.
Thank you so much. Finally get to ride this. This is a Schindler freight elevator.
Now we go.
Minnesota, installed by Schindler Elevator. I don't think this works. Nope.
Going two.
It's going to. It's gonna stop on another
We're
floor.
gonna stop on two.
Okay. Oh yeah, I
Second
see.
floor.
Because you have to.
Second floor.
It has to take like one call at a time. This is a. This is like a, oh, I see what you mean. This is a non-selective, non-collective controller. If you don't know, I know a lot about elevators.
I noticed.
And what I usually like to do is I just take a round trip down and then come back up and get off from there.
Okay. All right, buddy.
Thank you so much. Yep. Thanks.
No problem.
You have to close it up. Anyways, we're gonna get a quick coffee because this thing is so busy right now. Minnesota, installed by Schindler. Oh, we are going down to the basement. Nice. All right, we're gonna go back up to 4 because they needed to use it. Actually, we'll let it open this time. All right, here we are. One last cab view. All right, and that's gonna be it. I'm gonna leave it the way it is because this thing's quite busy, but there you have it.